Okay, so good morning all the students. Today we are going to teach you and in this lesson we will learn about the number system, number conversations, representing characters in memory. Okay, representing character in memory. Okay, so first first we'll discuss about the number system. Okay, first we'll discuss about the number system. What is number system? A number system define a finite set of symbol. Okay, define finite a set of symbol. Okay, or digit that are used to represent number. Computer represent, manipulate and store information as number. Clear? Number system were non-positional in nature. They were non-positional because the digit in the numbers do not have any positional value. A positional value is a value that corresponds to the positional of the digit in the number. Clear? As this number did not have any positional value, arithmetic calculations were difficult to perform. One of the most widely represented non-positional number system in this Roman numbers systems. Okay, like that symbols X, L, V, etc. Okay, the number systems are positional in nature. Each digit has a positional value that most widely used positional number systems in the decimal number systems. Okay, so we will learn what is decimal number systems. Okay, so basically first I will discuss decimal number system, different types. Okay, so types of decimal number system. Okay, types of number system we will learn first. How many types of number system? Type of number system. Okay, types of number system. Okay, how many types of number system we will learn? Clear? So first, that is decimal number system. What is that? Decimal number system. Decimal number system. Okay, decimal number system, it has base 10. Okay, decimal number system base 10. Okay, why 10? Because of in this number system in value called as a 10 systems because it has 10 digit. How many digit? It has 10 digit. Let me see. 10 digit means starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there are 10 digit. How many digit? There are 10 digit. That's why the decimal number system base 10. Okay, the next, that is binary number system. What is that? Binary number system. Binary number system. Okay, so binary number system base 2. Okay, it has only 2 digit. It has only how many digit? 2 digit. Clear? 0, 0, 1. 0 and 1. Next, that is octal. Octal, okay, OCTL, octal number system. Octal number system base 8. Okay, octal number system base 8. It has 8. It has how many digit? That is how many here? what is called decimal number. That is 8. Okay, 8 means that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Okay, so decimal number system base, that is 10. Okay, decimal number system base, that is 10, and it has how many? It has, that is 10. It has how many? It has 10 digit. Okay, how many digit? It has 10 digit. Okay, and that binary system also it has 2 digit, and the octal number system it has 8 digits. That's why that octal base 8. Okay, next hexadecimal. Hexa. Okay, hexadecimal. Decimal number system. Number system. Okay, hexadecimal number system base 16. Clear? Hexadecimal number system base 16. Clear? And it has how many digits? That is 16. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16 digit. It has 16 digit. Okay, so that after 9 means after 9 it will be denoted 10 denoted, that is A. 11 equal to B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, then 15 F. Clear? In this number system. Okay, so hexadecimal number system it will be like that only. Okay, so I hope all the students you understand types of number system. There are 4 types: decimal number system, clear, decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Okay, all the decimal number system also base, that is 10, binary number system base 2, and octal number system base 8, and hexadecimal number base, that is 16. Clear? So next, binary number system. In this binary number system, okay, so next, in this binary number system, there it is LSD and MSD. Okay, LSD and MSD. What is LSD? Least significant digit. Okay, so full form LSD means that is least significant digit. What is that least significant digit? Okay, the digit in the rightmost position. The digit, okay, rightmost position is known as least significant digit. Clear? Suppose I am writing one number like 3, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I have written 3, 7, 8, 9. So least significant digit means that is which one? Okay, which one that is least? See, this is 9 last. Okay, so this is the least, LSD. Okay, least significant digit. Okay, so 9 is the least significant digit. Clear? And another, what is that? MSD. MSD means what? What is that MSD? MSD. MSD means most significant most significant digit. Okay, most significant digits. What is that most significant digit? Okay, the leftmost positions. Okay, the leftmost position is known as most significant digits. Okay, leftmost means which one? This is leftmost. So MSD. Okay, this is MSD, and this is the least significant digits. So understand everybody, all the students. I hope you understand how to find out that is MSD and LSD. Okay, LSD and MSD. Okay, next that is binary. Binary also, that is binary number system also. Binary number system. Okay, so binary number system, the binary number is also called base 2. Clear? And it only two means 2 digit. Okay, 0 and 1. This number system is used to digital computer to internally represent data using the two state means what? That is on off. Clear? On means that is on and 0. Okay, that circuit it will be okay. Clear? This is on off. This signal, okay, this signal it will be complete when it is that is 0 1. Computer will take this binary numbers, it will be 1, circuit will 1, and when it will take 0 off. Clear? So this is the circuit. Okay, so next what is that? The binary number systems. In a binary number system, the digit in the rightmost position is known as least significant bit. Now what is that? Least significant bit. LSB, okay, LSB means least significant, that is bit. What is that? Least significant bit. Same definition. Okay, you will follow that same definition. Least significant bit only. Okay, bit because of 0 and 1. Okay, it has only 0 and 1. So that is 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, so let me see which one least significant bit. This one, LSB. Okay, LSB, least significant bit. Clear? And LSB are next most significant. Most significant means what? The digit in the leftmost. The digit in the leftmost positions is known as most significant bit. MSB. Most significant bit. Clear? So which one most? This is most. MSB. Okay, so only different, that is bit. It is binary system. In this binary system number, only least significant bit, and that decimal number system, that is digit. Okay, so only different means that is bit and digit. Okay, because of that is in binary systems 0 and 1. Computer will understand only 0 and 1 in binary number system. That's why it is bit. Okay, so MSB and LSB. Clear? So I hope all the students you will understand. So in this topic I am giving you 2-3 problems. You have to find out problem number 1, that is 0 1 1 0 0 2. Okay, problem number 2, 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Sorry, this is not 2, 1. 3 number problem, that is 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, and 4 number 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so this 4 question. You will find out what is and where it is, which digit it is most, MSB and LSB. Okay, you will find out and you will comment in my in the comment box. Okay, what is that answer? You will comment, everybody, all the students. Okay, so I hope all the students you understand very nicely. So thank you all.